Hello friends, you are watching Simple Bappa travel vlog. I'm Bappa and today I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world. On this channel, we share experiences of different countries, cities and luxurious hotels and resorts from around the world. Today's video is going to be very special because today we are going to explore a dream-like beautiful resort in Vietnam, JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay Resort and Spa. Many people consider this resort to be one of the most beautiful luxury resorts in Vietnam. Because of its amazing location beside the blue sea, colorful architecture and unique design, it is extremely popular among tourists from all over the world. In today's video, we will explore step by step some information about Vietnam, how to reach this resort, the resort entrance, lobby, environment, garden, room tour, swimming pool, various facilities, buffet breakfast, restaurant food, and finally, we will also learn about the room tariff of this hotel. Vietnam is a very beautiful country in Southeast Asia. Because of its natural beauty, beaches, mountains, rivers and amazing culture, this country is very popular among tourists from all over the world. Especially Phu Quoc Island has recently become one of the most popular tourist destinations for international travelers. This island is located in the Gulf of Thailand and it is the largest island in Vietnam. Here you will find white sandy beaches, crystal clear blue water, rows of coconut trees and numerous luxury resorts. Many people call Phu Quoc Vietnam's tropical paradise. Here you will experience a peaceful atmosphere, stunning sunsets and the incredible beauty of nature. Now let us get introduced to today's resort. JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay is a 5-star luxury resort created by one of the world's largest hotel companies, Marriott International. The biggest specialty of this resort is its unique design. The entire resort has been designed to look like an old university campus. This incredible design was created by the famous architect Bill Bensley. Each building in the resort has a different theme. Some areas look like a history department, some resemble a science department, and others resemble a vintage library. Because of this, the resort feels not just like a hotel but like a living art gallery. The easiest way to reach Phu Quoc is by airplane. First, you will arrive at Phu Quoc International Airport. From this airport, the distance to JW Marriott Resort is about 25 minutes by road. From the airport, you can easily reach the resort by taxi, grab, or the hotel's private transfer service. The road to the resort is very beautiful. On both sides of the road, you will see green hills, trees, and sometimes glimpses of the sea, making the journey even more enjoyable. When you arrive at the entrance of the resort, the first thing you will notice is a large, beautiful gate surrounded by well-decorated gardens. As your car enters the resort, the staff warmly welcomes the guests with smiling faces. Their hospitality is truly admirable. The surrounding environment of the resort is so peaceful and beautiful that you will immediately feel as if you have arrived in a heavenly place. Now we enter the resort lobby. As soon as you step into the lobby, it feels like entering a world of art. The high ceiling, colorful decorations and large windows opening towards the sea make this lobby extremely attractive. Sitting here, you can enjoy the sea breeze while completing the check-in process and admiring the beauty around you. The environment of the resort is truly wonderful. Everywhere you will see lush greenery, flower gardens and beautiful walking paths that make the whole area peaceful and pleasant. Rows of coconut trees, the blue sea and the clean surroundings make this place a perfect example of natural beauty. Walking around here makes you feel deeply connected with nature. Now let us take a closer look at the rooms of this resort. Every room at JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay Resort and Spa is luxurious and decorated with a unique theme. Since the entire resort is designed like an old university campus, the room decorations also reflect that academic theme. Some rooms feature bookshelf-style designs like a library, some resemble old research laboratories, and others show inspiration from vintage classrooms. This wonderful design was also created by the famous architect Bill Bensley. As soon as you enter the room, the first thing you will notice is a large and extremely comfortable king-size bed. The soft white linen, large pillows, and beautiful headband make the room even more attractive. On both sides of the bed are modern bedside lamps and charging points so that guests can easily charge their phones and other devices. Inside the room, there is also a large flat-screen smart TV with international channels. There is also a work desk and a comfortable chair where you can sit and work on your laptop. For guests who travel for work as well, this desk is very convenient. Another attractive feature of the room is the minibar. Here you will find different kinds of soft drinks, juices, chocolates and snacks. There is also a coffee machine and tea making set so that you can enjoy coffee or tea comfortably inside your room. The bathroom is also very luxurious. It features a large marble floor, a separate glass shower area, and a large bathtub where you can relax with warm water. The bathroom also provides premium bath products like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. In addition, there is a large mirror, hair dryer, and soft white towels. The most beautiful part of the room is the balcony. Standing on the balcony, you can enjoy an amazing view of the blue sea, green hills, and rows of coconut trees. From many rooms, you can directly see the Emerald Bay Beach. Sitting on the balcony in the morning with a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise truly is an unforgettable experience. This resort offers different types of rooms like deluxe rooms, suites, villas, and sea view rooms. Each room is quite spacious and comfortable. A typical deluxe room is about 50 to 60 square meters in size. The suites are even larger and include a separate living area. Some special rooms also feature private pools and large terraces. For guests who prefer complete privacy, these villa rooms are absolutely perfect. Overall, the rooms in this resort are not just places to stay, but a luxurious experience. Every small detail is designed in such a way that guests can experience comfort, beauty, and luxury all together. Now let us take a detailed look at the swimming pools of this resort. The swimming pool area at JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay Resort and Spa is one of the major attractions of the resort. There is not just one pool, but several beautiful pools, each with a unique design. The most famous pool is the shell-shaped swimming pool, which looks like a seashell. When viewed from above, the design of this pool looks truly amazing, and many tourists come here just to take photos. The pool is surrounded by colorful tiles and beautiful designs that make the entire environment more attractive. Around this pool are comfortable sun lounges and large umbrellas. Guests can relax here, sunbathe, read books, or simply enjoy the sea breeze. Next to the pool is also a pool bar where you can order various juices, cocktails, and refreshing drinks even while swimming. There is also a large infinity pool facing directly towards the sea. While swimming in this pool, it feels as if the pool water merges with the sea. During the sunset, the view from this pool becomes truly breathtaking. Many guests love to sit beside the pool and enjoy this beautiful moment. The pool area is always very clean and well maintained. The resort staff regularly clean the pools, and lifeguards are also present for the safety of guests. There is also a separate small pool for children where kids can swim and play safely. Surrounding the pool are beautiful coconut trees and green gardens that create a true tropical resort atmosphere. Swimming here with the sea breeze, blue sky, and natural environment feels like being in paradise. Many tourists prefer swimming here in the morning when the environment is calm and peaceful. In the evening, sitting by the pool and watching the sunset over the sea is truly a wonderful experience. Overall, the swimming pools at JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay are not just ordinary pools but one of the most beautiful and attractive places in the entire resort. The resort also offers many other facilities like a spa center, modern gym, private beach, water sports, kids club and yoga area. In other words, here you can experience a complete luxury vacation with relaxation, entertainment and comfort all in one place.
Waves are shining under golden sun, emerald waters softly run, palm trees dancing by the bay. A dream begins in Phu Quoc today. Walking through a paradise so far, luxury shining like a star. Every moment feels brand new, ocean, sky and endless blue. Feel the breeze, hear the ocean call. This beautiful island has it all. Oh, this is paradise we found, where the blue sea wraps around. Simple paradise here today. Travel dreams are on the way. JW Marriott by the bay. Golden sunsets light the way. Simple paradise will show you how to feel this magic now, right now. Morning sunlight on the sea, luxury living wild and free. Balcony views and ocean air, peace and beauty everywhere. Swimming.
Now let us talk about one of the most exciting experiences at this resort, the complimentary buffet breakfast. Guests staying at JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay Resort and Spa are offered a huge and rich buffet breakfast every morning. This breakfast is usually served at the resort's famous restaurant, Tempus Fugit. Breakfast is generally served from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. During this time, guests can relax and enjoy their meal while admiring the beautiful sea view. The restaurant environment is spacious and elegant. Through the large windows, you can see green gardens, coconut trees and the distant blue sea. The biggest highlight of this buffet breakfast is the wide variety of food. You will find Vietnamese, Asian and international cuisines. Guests can choose their favorite dishes from many different options. There is also a large fresh fruit section where you will find watermelon, pineapple, papaya, dragon fruit, mango and many other tropical fruits. There is also a bakery section with pastries, croissants, bread, cakes and muffins. Another popular section is the live cooking station where chefs prepare fresh omelets, fried eggs, scrambled eggs and poached eggs based on the guests' preferences. You will also find Vietnam's famous noodle soup pho, which many tourists love to enjoy in the morning. The buffet also includes fried rice, noodles, sausages, bacon, grilled vegetables, yogurt, cereals and salads. For drinks, there are fresh juices, coffee, tea and other hot beverages. Many guests prefer sitting on the outdoor terrace while having breakfast. Enjoying breakfast with the morning breeze, birds singing and the beautiful sea view is truly an unforgettable experience. The resort also has several excellent restaurants where guests can enjoy international and local cuisines. One of the most famous restaurants is Pink Pearl, which offers a luxurious fine dining experience with elegant pink interiors and classic design. Here you can enjoy French-style cuisine, seafood, steak, pasta and gourmet dishes. Another popular restaurant is Tempus Fugit, which serves international cuisine and serves the breakfast buffet.
Pools and tropical skies, endless colors in your eyes. Every step a memory in this island fantasy. From sunrise light to sunset glow, there's a magic you will know. Travel far across the sea, find a place where you can be free. Oh, this is paradise we found, where the blue sea wraps around. Simple paradise guiding you to a world of ocean blue. Together we are shining bright, an emerald bay in golden light. Simple paradise will always say.
Now let us talk about the cost of staying at this luxury resort. Room prices usually vary depending on the season and room type. A standard deluxe room usually costs around $400 to $500 per night. Sea view rooms or suites can cost around $600 to $800 per night, while private pool villas can be even more expensive. Guests usually book this resort online through platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, or the official website of Marriott International. Friends, today we explored one of the most beautiful luxury resorts in Vietnam, JW Marriott Phu Quoc Emerald Bay Resort and Spa. With its amazing architecture, beautiful private beach, luxurious rooms, swimming pools, and delicious food, this resort truly feels like a dream destination. If you ever plan to visit Vietnam, this resort should definitely be on your travel list. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to Simple Bappa Travel Vlog. See you again in the next video with another amazing travel destination from around the world. Thank you.
Waves are shining under golden sun, emerald water softly run. Palm trees dancing by the bay. A dream begins in Phu Quoc today. Walking through a paradise so far, luxury shining like a star. Every moment feels brand new, ocean, sky and endless blue. Feel the breeze, hear the ocean call. This beauty